All right. Can you guys hear me? I I tried to record my voice yesterday and day before yesterday. Um, I got the videos, but I couldn't get my voice recorded. My microphone did not get connected properly. I guess today I guess you guys can hear me all right. So yesterday and day before yesterday, both days my idea was right. My entry was not that great in my practice trading. Um, so today my idea is that the market looks like it's going to sell off. That's what um, so far in the session has occurred um, with this new daily candle formation. So we take a small short position here in our practice trading. Yesterday I was talking, but my thesis didn't get recorded in my video. But I was telling that um, from the point where I was watching the markets, I was expecting the market would go touch the 670 or 700 level. That's what I was saying in my video, and even have made a drawing also that shows 670 level. So market definitely in the New York session went and hit that level. Now it is um, pulling back. So now in this session, for tonight and tomorrow, for today's daily candle, my thesis is it'll go back and touch that 260. Where is 260? It's we are in the 5 minute chart, so it is off the charts now. 260 is somewhere here. It'll not go touch to 260 right away. That's not what I'm guessing, but um, from today until tomorrow's closure, I, I'm guessing there is a high probability of going down and touching that level again. It may or may not happen tomorrow exactly, but in coming 1 or 2 days, that is the course I'm guessing. Okay, so last 2 days in our practice trading, I was waiting for the home runs to occur. Um, so today I'm focusing on base hits, not the home runs. Instead of keeping one big range of profit and waiting for the target to hit, instead I'll have the same range in my mind, but I'll try to make several entries and several exit within that range, within the same TP range. So this is my improvised strategy. So I'll be my stop loss is still although it is not showing up in the chart. It is my mental stop I have in my mind, and it is over anything over 780. Anything over 780, the market I guess is looking for um, looking for a bounce, and it would look strong above 780. Anyways, from this level, it looks the market looks weak to me. So I will be continue shorting the market. All right, so this is a new channel. I appreciate your support. Please, please like, share, and subscribe. This is a practice trading, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. This is not real trading. Do not copy me, or you should not copy any trader in the YouTube or internet. Copying is setting up yourself for failure. Yeah, if you really want to be profitable over long term, the best way is to learn the markets. Okay, here was a drawing I made yesterday. If you guys could visit my last video, I made a very brief video that this is what my um, prediction is based on the price action. This is what I have expected will happen. This was my drawing from yesterday. So it should touch that level, but not immediately. By right at the opening of the New York session, the price was hit. So all this time it was going grinding up and up, but this was surely a resistance point. So it checked the resistance and see at this level exactly, and then went into the very first correction there as soon as the market opened. So this was the exact range I mentioned yesterday in my video. All right, anyways, so the idea has to be right, and the entry point also must be right. Then only you can do something with this trading. So if you have a good idea but your entry is wrong, then not good. But with a small position size, even though your entry is not that great, if your directional bias is correct, you could hold on to that small position and let the course run for you, um, so that you'll be eventually profitable. So that is one way of doing. So definitely one strategy that will work over long periods is to keep the position size small. All right, today I took several small base hits. I'm not holding my position for a long time, waiting for the home run. So you got to come up with a strategy what works best for your personality. If you're comfortable holding for a long time, then yeah, why not set the stop, set the target profit, and let the trade run, and do not get smart in the middle of the trade. That's what the trade guru says. That is one way of doing it. So um, keeping the high risk reward ratio, um, the math will work out for you. That's what they say. Okay, here you could ask one question that I'm taking small base hits. Maybe I'm running my trades on negative risk reward ratio. That is a very valid question, but my thinking is I have the target profit range in my mind, and I have the stop loss range in my mind. So within those ranges, I'll be making my trades, but I'll be following the directional bias in those ranges. So that way my risk reward will be still all that I'm guessing eventually. So in the comments, please let me know what is your favorite strategy. Is it trend lines, price action, or patterns, or indicators? If indicators, which one? What is your favorite time frame to trade? So how long you have been trading, and how far did you make it? Do you see any light at the end of the tunnel? So yeah, a few things I have learned um, during my practice period is first and foremost, do not follow anyone. The very first thing, every trader is different. Everyone understand the things in a different way, different ways. So just get to the markets and start watching the charts, and first understand what is your style. How are you reacting to the markets? Are you comfortable um, handling the uh, high volatile New York sessions, or are you comfortable handling the low volatile Asian sessions like this? Um, and what about the news days? How are you doing on those news days? Because those news catalysts could uh, move the markets in a big way. So, trading on news catalyst days is a different game ball altogether. So, time frames. What do you think of the time frames? What are your favorite time frames, and what are your favorite sessions? Is it Asian, London, or New York? And if so, why? Do you like trading on um, highly volatile days, or are you like sideways market? All right. So I'm marking this level here. Um, we'll talk about this level in tomorrow's session, I think. We'll have some idea how the market has reacted to these levels. Okay, so um, so why I thought not following anyone in the YouTube in the trading sessions is not a good advice, because everyone would have their own strategy back tested and have been following for a long time, and have some confidence on their own testing. So when you follow that, then you cannot see that confluence of factors, different things that comes with the experience after giving enough chart time um, with the markets. So this is practice trading, paper trading I'm trying here. So I'm also trying to learn the markets. Uh, so yesterday and day before yesterday, my prediction was right. My directional bias was correct, but my entries were not correct, and my approach was I was hoping I did set the for the big high range home run uh, trades, and it didn't work out well. So today I'm doing a little bit different by taking small base hits. So far, I've taken little some uh, very small base hits. My overall PNL on the paper trading so far is still negative. So I'm hoping I'll bring it to positive. I'll keep my session very small today, just like yesterday. Yesterday, my session was brief. I gave my brief overview of my thoughts, and uh, logged out after the session. So I'm trying to do the same today. Okay, so this is my practice trading video number 3. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. We try to learn together the trading. So this is June expression futures NQ. I'm not really sure when exactly these June contracts will expire. So this is June. We are already in the month of June. So must be usually on 21st, something like that. Should get, oh yeah, here it is, Thursday 18th. Thursday 18th. So that is the expression date. All right. So we need to switch over to September contracts about the time. But for now, still this has a higher volume than the September contracts. So it's a good idea to stick with the highly liquid June contracts. Okay, so today also the market is going against our trade, but again I am confident that my directional bias is correct, but my entry point may be a little off. Since my position size is smaller than my position size is yesterday and day before yesterday, so I'll have some more room to hold on to the position and give them the enough space to breathe. Alright, so also please advise if you have any suggestions for me how I can improvise my channel. This is a new channel. This is my like barely very third video in my channel. So I'm trying to grow my channel. So if you have any good suggestions, please advise. So my thought process behind this short position was the market went into the big sell off here. This was a bear flag, and liquidity grab, and then the fall the direction. Okay, so that was my thought process. Well, at least I, I watched so many live trading sessions in the YouTube, but almost none of them describe their exact trading strategy. Like what are the how why the thought process is there to take any position, and what are their expected target levels or stop loss levels. No, I I do not see many people talk about that. So I find it very strange. Yeah. So no strategies, no entry levels, exit levels. All right. So the price is slowly grinding against our directional bias, against our positions. When the ship will turn, it will turn for sure, as per my imagination. But the real question is when. Okay, so if it is crossing this level, the 717 level, then that would be break of structure. So if the candle, if the 5 minute candle closes above with the volume above this pivot level, then that's a break of structure and will be a change of character as well. In that case, it'll go to 738 with that impulse of breaking this structure. A minimum of about like 30 points from 711 710 level. So the first attempt got rejected here. The we see one uh, shooting star there. It got rejected, but the buyers again stepped in and bought the sell off. Mostly these sessions run by the algos, so market algos. It's not the traders. It's the market algos set by the big banks and big investors. Those are algos. They are the algos that move the market here, not the retail traders like you and me. All right, so I'm closing this position here. Um, Market is trying to break the structure, and I see some upward momentum there. This the present candle, the present 5 minute candle, um, does not have wick and it is going up without any wick, so that indicates yes, impulsive. That is very impulsive. Momentum is there, so I am closing my position there. I took a loss there. So was it a good trade? Yeah, I do not have any complaints on my own trade. I like it. I followed my plan. So I closed my position when the break of structure and change of character has happened. When the market moved, the price moved with an impulsive candle upside. So I closed my position. I kept my position size small. Still, I believe my overall directional bias is correct, but it has to make that big U-turn somewhere here. So since now it has moved out of this pivot and broke this pivot level, so it will go touch the 737 and 742 easily, I'm guessing. So it will go touch those levels, and moreover it is um, almost the end of the hour, so new 1 hour candle is about to begin in 7 minutes. So that will bring some new additional volume, which should push the price a little bit higher. So if I'm thinking the price will go touch these levels, why am I not taking a long position? I am skipping all the long opportunities because my overall bias is short. So I'm skipping the long opportunities and waiting for the short opportunities. If I want to take a long side opportunity, then I have to um, keep my stop loss and follow my stop loss very clearly, because the overall strength is um, not on the long side, given the sell off at about that occurred a couple of hours ago. So this is a small session for today. This is practice trading session 3. Um, we took a loss in this practice session 3 as well, but I followed my concepts and methods. I'm glad about my trading, my practice trading on day 3. Please comment what you think about my practice trading, how my thought process is, how I can improvise my trading, and how we all can learn together. Please advise and also support my channel. Thank you guys. That's all for tonight. Have a good night.